virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Today, let us learn something new in Standard 2nd Maths. The topic is let's count numbers in steps. You know, counting the numbers, right? You know 1 to 100 properly, right? Here we will count the same numbers in steps. Let's move to the topic. Dear children, here look at the frog's jumps. Here you can see a strip of numbers and a frog who is jumping from one number to another number. See this? The first jump is from number 1 to number 3. Okay? Next, it takes the jump from number 3 to 5. Can you see that? Then it jumps from number 5 to number 7. Then it jumps from number 7 to number 9. For the children, here we will count the frog's jumps. Now, first it jumped from number 1 to number 3, right? What is the difference between the number? 1, 2, 3 means after 2 numbers we get 3. Isn't it? Here difference is 2. Now from 3 to 5. What is the difference? Yes, after 3, 4 and 5 means again difference is 2. Then from 5 to 6 to 7 means again difference is 2. Then from 7 to 9 means again 8 is there and 9. So the difference is 2. Right? Here, because of this frog's jumps, we got the numbers, that is 3, 5, 7 and 9. As the frog jumped in steps of 2. Got this? Means that each numbers they have difference of 2, right? That is 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. What is the difference? 2, right? Let's move to one more example. Here we can see the rabbit is jumping, right? We will draw a number strip that has 1 to 20. Now see dear children, the rabbit is jumping from one number to another number. Can you see here? We will draw the line. Okay. Now we have drawn the line. Correct? Now we will see on which number it jumped. Yes, starting number is 2. First it jumped on 6 from 2. What is the difference? Yes, 2 to 3. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 means steps of here 4. Right? Now after 6 it jumped to 10 number. Again we can see here step of 4. Right? From 10 to 14. Again we can see step of 4. Difference is 4, isn't it? From 14 to 18. What is the difference here? Again counting in steps of 4. Right? Here we will write the answer for this. Write the numbers from which the rabbit takes a jump. Yes, tell me. First, it started from 2 number, it jumped to 6. Then it jumped to 10, isn't it? then from 10 to 14 and from 14 to 18. Yes, dear children, here we can say rabbit jumped starting from 2, counting in steps of 4. Right? Got this, children? The difference is same in each and every counting. Correct? Yes. Here one question is there, from 4 onwards means starting point should be 4. Okay. The numbers we get by counting in steps of 3 are. We will find out this. First we will draw a strip of numbers. Okay. Here it is 1 to 20. What it is said here? We have to start from 4. Number 4. Okay. From here. And counting in steps of 3. We'll begin from 4 to 7, right? Counting in steps of 3 means we get 7, isn't it? 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers, right? So we'll write 7 here. Okay. Then from 7 to which number? Come on, tell me. 8, 9, 10. Isn't it? So the next number is 10 because we are counting in step of 3, right? From first we will write 10 here, then from 10 to 13 we'll write 13 here. From 13 in the steps of 3 means we get 16, isn't it? I hope you understood about the steps. Now we'll write here 16. Now from 16, the next step will be on 19 because we are counting in steps of 3. Right? We'll write here 19. Got this, children? Yes? Means we began from 4 and we followed steps of 3. So we got 7, 10, 13, 16 and 19. Isn't it? Okay, one more example we will go through. From 5 onwards means we have to begin from 5. Okay, from 5 onwards the numbers we get by counting in steps of 5. Yes, after 5 numbers we have to take the jump. Okay. First number strip we need. Okay, now we will begin from this 5. Right? It is written here from 5 onwards. So we'll begin from 5 and we are going to jump by using steps of 5. After 5 numbers we have to keep the step. See here from 5. After 5 number means we get 10. Correct? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 5 numbers. Right? So we'll write 10 here. Now from we are at 10 number. Here we are going to jump in steps of 5. Means we will reach to 15. Isn't it? Yes, we will write 15. Then from 15 we will jump to 20 because we are following steps of 5, isn't it? Here 3 numbers we got, some more numbers we need. Yes, here 20, so again I will count from 20 here. From 20 to, come on tell me, 25, very good. This is our next step and from 25 we'll reach, yes, to 30 in the next step because we are following steps of 5. Correct? Did you understand? Yes. I hope it is clear to you. Correct? Now dear children, we will take some fun here. Yes, number 1 is dancing. Here we can see one more one. along with this earlier one. Yes, 1 plus 1, that gives, you know what it gives? It gives 2, isn't it? A strong one, right? Okay, we will have fun here. Fun with addition. You know the plus sign is nothing but we are adding the numbers. This is addition, right? Counting together. Okay, now we will take this 1 in the first place. Come on here. Yes. Now we will take this one in the second place. I have changed the order of these two numbers. We will take this plus and equal to sign. Okay, now tell me 1 plus this one is equal to how much? Here I have changed the order. What is the answer? 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2, right? Here I have changed the order, then also I got the same answer. A strong 2, isn't it? Okay, here I have used a same number in first place also and in the second place also, that is 1. Dear children, let us see what happens if we take different numbers in different places and then after adding what we get. We'll see. Yes, here we can see flowers plus some more flowers. How many flowers are there in the first bunch? 1, 2 and 3. I will write here 3. Okay, this plus here and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will write 5 here. Okay. Now all together how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. You know this, correct? Okay. Now I will take these bunch of flowers in the first place and these in the second place. See here. Now again we will count. Here how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write 5 here. This plus sign and here 3 flowers. Come on children, tell me how many flowers together? Here this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Or 5 plus 3. You can use your fingers for counting. Okay, 5 plus 3 are 8. Isn't it? Here what we did, we have changed the order. Here it is 3 first and in the second sum 5 is in the first place. Isn't it? But we got the same answer, that is 8, and here also we got 8. Okay, we will go through one more example. Here you can see balls plus some more balls. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 balls are there. I will write 3 here plus how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are there. Together make, yes, 3 plus 6 together make 9. Isn't it? Means there are 9 balls. Okay, I will change the order. See here. First we will take these season balls or cricket ball. Okay. Then we will take these plastic balls of different color. First we will count this. There are 6 season balls. So 6 and plus these colorful balls, they are 3 in number. So 6 plus 3, that is nothing but 9. Right? Here also you can see here 6 are there plus 7, 8, 9. Together make 9 balls. Isn't it? Means here also we got the same answer. When we change the order of the numbers, then also we got the same answer. Isn't it a funny thing? Here we will go through some numbers are there. We have to do addition. First one, 4 plus 1. You can use your fingers. 4 fingers plus 1 finger together make, yes, very good, 5. Okay, then move to the next sum, that is 1 plus 4. See dear children, here I have changed the order. I have taken 1 in the first place and 4 in the second place. What is the answer? You know. No need to count here. 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 4 will get same answer, that is 5. If you do the addition of one sum, the second sum will also get the same answer, you know, when we change their order, isn't it? So we will not take effort in counting the same numbers in different orders. See here, 5 plus 9 and 9 plus 5. Yes, we are sure that both the sums will give us the same answer. So we will go for any one sum. See, 5 plus 9. This is 9 plus 5. So 9 is a big number we will keep in our mind and 5 fingers we will take. 9, then comes 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Isn't it? We got the answer 14 for both the sums. So we will write here. Correct? Now next is 3 plus 7 and 7 plus 3. Here also same thing. The numbers are interchanged. The order is changed. Right? 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3. So again we will keep 7, a bigger number, in our mind and we will take 3 fingers. So 7, then 8, 9, 10. We got the answer 10 for both the sums. Isn't it a funny one? Yes, dear children, remember this. Okay? What we have learned today? Yes, it means that changing the order does not change the sum. The sum will remain same. The answer will remain same. Got this? Even though we change the order of the numbers. Okay? I hope you understood the concept clearly. So I am giving you the work. Here also you will go through the numbers, then add the numbers and write the answers in these given boxes. You can use your own trick to find out the answers. Okay? It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Are you going to promise me that you will do this? Yes? Thank you.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.